Hi everybody, want a quick and easy way to hide all these messy icons on your screen? Well, let's get right into it in 10 seconds. Hi, let's geek out with Jason. I help people overcome their tech with tips, tools, and products. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. And as always, if you don't like these apps, we gotta do something about it, don't we? And I have just the app for you. But before that, in the description below will not only be the app where you can get the app, will also be cheap deals for these new M1 Macs and also the gear I use, so you definitely want to check that out. All right, let's get into the video, shall we? So we have all these messy apps, and it drives me crazy, right? So all we have to do is use an app called camouflage. So we just simply click the camouflage, and there we go. The only problem with this is you can't really move an app to the desktop because you can't really see it. And it's also up in this right here. So you can click it, you can show icons, and it shows the icons. You can also, and you can hide the icons. So that's my secret trick. It's called camouflage. You can get it in the description below as long as my deals and my tech that I use. All right, question of the day. How many people here like working on a messy desktop or a clean desktop? Let me know in the description below. I usually like working on a clean desktop, but occasionally when it's usually a Windows computer, I usually work on a messy desktop. I don't know what it is. It just happens that way. And don't forget, you want to read easier? Well, over there or up above will be how to use reader mode easier.